You want to make an awesome intro just like the series Brooklyn Nine-Nine? I got you covered. I'm going to show you how to make this awesome intro in Canva, so let's go. So as you can see, it always starts with a shot of the main character, a little zoom, and then a colors popping in. And we are going to recreate that in Canva so you can use this style of intro for your own videos. And to make my own little intro, I shot a couple of shots for myself that I can pop in Canva and I can make just like the intro of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So import your video file into your video editing software and you play it until the part you want it to be paused. You pause the frame and then you cut your video file and then you go one frame back. You can do that by pressing on the left cursor, you go one frame back. So I just took a screenshot. Before you use your screenshot, make sure to crop it to the image you want to use, or else the background remover in Canva doesn't work quite well. Fit it to the screen. And the first thing you want to do is to duplicate the image. And from the duplicated image you remove the background. As you can see, I removed the background and we can move ourselves out of the way real quick. I moved it to the corner and left the corner visible so we can drag it back later. So next we go to Elements and we are going to find a red background. So just type in red and go to Photos, and this is the first one of the first ones I find. I use this, stretch it and move the transparency back a little bit so you can see through the red image. Next we're going to go to the graphics on the left and select the red box and crop it to the desired size and move it to the location where you want it to be showing in your intro. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this video this far, please consider subscribing to my channel because I'm putting out a lot more editing content and thumbnail making content and all that other good stuff for you to watch next. Let's get on with the video. After that we go to Animate. In Animate we are going to select the wipe animation, so it wipes in the screen. So then we are going to add some text. Just edit it to the way that you want it to look. And for the text we are also going to animate, and for the text we are going to use the merge effect. And then we grab ourselves from the corner we left available and we are going to move our frame forward to the foreground, and that way it will be in front of everything and the background will be behind the red overlay. So this is the finished result, and I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller so it fits better on the screen. And then we are going to export it and save it to our computer to edit it in DaVinci Resolve. So in DaVinci Resolve we're going to go back to the last frame of the file we cut. We're going to transform it and zoom it in a little bit. As you can see, it's going way too fast right now, so we're going to change the speed so that it matches our flow a little bit more. And after that you just paste your exported video behind it. And that's about it for the first part. And you can use whatever color you want and whatever text box you want, font you want to use, it doesn't matter. I've edited a couple of more parts to make a full intro of myself and you can check it right now.
Very cool. Cool.
So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing if you want more of this good stuff. And watch this video next. It's also about Canva, but I'm creating thumbnails there. Enjoy, and I'll see you there.